This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Thermador. Lovely traditional cape situated on a private lot in the desirable award-winning Ford's Colony community. This beautiful flowing floor plan offers a large primary suite with double closets and large primary bath with double sinks, separate tub and standalone shower. First level offers a beautiful eat-in kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, office/living room with custom built-in cabinetry, formal dining room, screened-in porch and laundry area with additional storage and shelving. Second level offers 3 generous-sized bedrooms with ensuite and access to a full bath in addition to an oversized bonus room that can be used as an optional family room, recreational room or as a conditioned storage space. Additional features include sub-zero refrigerator, Thermador gas stove, geothermal heating/cooling, water purifier and additional gardening space/workshop. If you enjoy peace, quiet and privacy, this lot location is everything you have been looking for. Do not let it get away. For more information,